Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have something new for you. This is going to be a short one. We're going to talk about phone stands. And if you have a smartphone and you use smartphone on the daily and you watch videos on your smartphone, or if you prop it up while you're eating or preparing your dinner, listening to stuff or watching something on YouTube or Netflix, you tend to use your smartphone like this. You prop it up with something at the back, like maybe a cup or something sturdy. But here I have a Spigen case. Some cases have this one, so you can just easily do that. But if you don't have these cases, special case with this kind of feature, I'm going to show you something of high quality. We have the UGreen phone stands. This is what I use on the daily on my desk. This is gonna fold like this and then fold like that. So you see there, you can prop it up, and the best thing about this is it can lift it up like so, and you have channels here for your charger cables or your headphone cables, and it's very sturdy. See, so if you want to fold this and put it in your bag, or you want to keep it inside your drawer, you can just fold it up, fold it in, and voila. It doesn't really fold nicely. I've tried to do it like this. It's very flexible, but yeah, it's really not gonna lay flat. It's not perfect, but yeah, that's the first one. If you want something sturdy and permanent on your desk, but if you want to travel with a phone stand, if that is your thing, this is another one from UGreen. This is a phone stand, believe it or not. The same color, they're both made of aluminium, so very sturdy, very thick metal, very lightweight. And the way you unfold it is by doing that. You can see the profile on the side. This one is the same as this one. You have channels for your cables and headphone jacks, and then you prop it up like so, and then when you fold it in, keep it in your bag, it folds really nicely. You have just protrusions here, but it doesn't really stick out that much. So for your desk, for your bag, or your laptop bag, or any bag that you have for travel, this is gonna work well. So if I want to show you how easy it is to prop your phone up. This is the phone there. You can even lay it flat like that, and even in uneven surfaces this can work, just like that, like that. See, this one, not a stable, limited elevation, but here you can just prop it up like so for portrait orientation. You see that there. As you change the angle, it elevates the phone and also changes the angle. But when you set it up, it's very sturdy. You can tap on your phone. Same here. Just adjust. And those are, I think, the best headphone stands you can buy. I'll try to leave links down below where you can buy one. So UGreen is from China, so AliExpress, Amazon, eBay. So that's it.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time.